Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to spot for everything beauty. Today I'm about to share my thoughts on a product that's not only fun, but also promises to deliver some serious color and hydration. If you've been on the lookout for a bold lip look that feels as good as it looks, stick around. This might just be the product for you. We're diving into the Gloss Bomb Color Drip Lip Cream in the shade 05 Fruit Snackz from Fenty Beauty. This lipstick is all about delivering a vibrant, playful pop of color while keeping your lips hydrated throughout the day. It comes in a 0.3 tube and is designed for anyone who loves a smooth, comfortable wear without sacrificing the long-lasting payoff of a bold lip. Now let's get into the details. The Gloss Bomb Color Drip Lip Cream promises a smooth application, which from my experience is spot on. The formula glides on effortlessly, making it a breeze to apply. It's hydrating too, which is something I'm always looking for in a lip product. No one likes the feeling of dry, cracked lips, and this gloss seems to lock in moisture, keeping my lips feeling soft all day. The Fruit Snackz shade itself is absolutely gorgeous. A rich, juicy pink with just enough sheen to make your lips pop without being overly glossy. It's a fun, energetic color that brightens up the face, perfect for both day and night looks. I found that it holds up really well too, lasting through a couple of cups of coffee and a snack without needing a touch-up. Now, that's a lip color that doesn't quit. When it comes to real-world testing, the smooth application really stood out. The formula's consistency is just the right balance. Not too thick, not too runny. You get enough coverage with one swipe, which is something I really appreciate. Plus, it doesn't feel sticky at all, which is often a downside of glosses. I wore it through a few errands, and it stayed in place without bleeding or feathering, so major points for longevity. Of course, no product is without its little quirks. While the Gloss Bomb Color Drip Lip Cream is great in terms of hydration and staying power, it does have that typical gloss feel, which some people might find a bit too tacky if you're used to a matte finish. But for those who love a comfortable, glossy finish, it's definitely not a deal breaker. So, how does it measure up in terms of value for money? At its price point, it's definitely more on the premium side for a lip gloss, but you're paying for the high-quality formulation that delivers both hydration and long-lasting color. If you love Fenty Beauty's signature formula and are looking for something that can handle a busy day without constant reapplication, I'd say it's worth the investment. In terms of alternatives, there are certainly more budget-friendly options out there, but few that match the formula and performance of Fenty's Gloss Bomb Color Drip. If you're after something similar, you might want to explore other glossy lip creams. But if you're looking for that perfect blend of color payoff and comfort, Fenty's is hard to beat. Now, before we wrap this up, if this review has been helpful to you, please hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you can stay updated on all the latest reviews and beauty tips. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're ready to get your hands on this beauty, the link is in the comments below. Customer service from Fenty Beauty has been known to be responsive, and if you ever have any issues with their products, their team is quick to assist. That's always a bonus when purchasing a product, especially with the premium price tag. To wrap it all up, if you're someone who loves a bold, fun, and hydrating lip gloss, Fenty's Gloss Bomb Color Drip Lip Cream in Fruit Snackz is a fantastic choice. Its smooth application, long-lasting wear, and vibrant color make it stand out in the world of lip products. It's a great pick for anyone who loves a bit of playfulness in their makeup routine while still getting the performance they need. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and if you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.